I was the source of your flex. Yeah, I was the source of your text.
Zimex TV, Zimbabwe leading trending gossip TV. Subscribe to the channel, follow us on all our social media platforms, Zimex TV on Instagram, Zimex TV on Facebook, and Zimex TV on our YouTube channel. Welcome to another edition of the Entertainment Zone, the world of entertainment TV. Today is the 8th of February 2022, and makorokoto kuna Maitt, and yes, she have just bought another track for her moving business, Maitt Diaries, and she wrote on her Facebook account. She said, the year of calmness, restoration, and results. Another 7.5-ton truck added to the family. Maitt Diaries Logistics 2022. I'm not playing. That's the way to start. That's a good way to start. You don't have to lay your eggs in one basket. You have to invest in many things. And so makorokoto na Maitt. People have been saying our power gonna. With the way she's moving, by the end of the year, wanenge watone ma traki kana 10 kana 11 kana 12, because apana wana 2 months watenga imwe first track saka zvinenge zviri kufamba. And so someone wrote that it will end in tears. Ana jinimbi varipi nhasi dzikamai anwe kune mbinga kunze uku dzisingahukire zvamunoita imimi. And I saying kuti aiwa kana muchita mabusiness akadai soka amufana kundomboparidzira vanhu masocial media. You just have to do it quietly. But remember, I mean, some of her customers, all of her customers want to own up social media. She's being followed by almost like 1 million people, and millions of Zimbabweans are following Maitt per social media. Saka apashaya kana 30%, 40%, and vanowafonero vachida kuti ase kuti utakurwa zvinhu and everything. And of course, people are gonna support her in her new business venture. So tokoti makorokoto kuna Maitt, and also pay your taxes. And was a jinimbi angari pama1 because of nyaya tax. The man ane makore amwe kutoti he wasn't sure kuti mari iyo yaibva kupi. So you need to pay your taxes. Kana mato business makutoona kutoti bhuku riri kuitwa here zvikufamba secho chiri kuitwa. And yes, if you do that, aiwa aumbofa wakanyura kana kuti sei, because unenge uchita zviri pamutemo uchibhadharawo tax yako and everything. Aiwa, you can become one of the most successful business men or women in Zimbabwe. Apana chinombonetsa apo. And so tongoti makorokoto kuna Maitt, and this is the Entertainment Zone, the world of entertainment TV. Zvakaramba zvakadai, aiwa December vanenge vatonema track 10 or 15 avanenge vapaka pakaipa. Entertainment Zone, the world of entertainment TV. You're watching Zimex TV, Zimbabwe leading trending gossip TV. Remember guys to like, share, comment, and follow us on all our social media platforms, Zimex TV on Facebook, Zimex TV on Instagram, and Zimex TV on our YouTube channel. Makorokoto kuna Maitt. Bless up.
I was the source of your flex. Yeah, I was the source of your text.